Ever wish your form fields could update themselves as people click, type, and choose in real time? Populate Anything polls options and values from posts, users, terms, entries, databases, and APIs. Pick a city, then instantly see only matching stores, services, or packages, no messy manual lists. Chain dropdowns, radios, and checkboxes so every next choice feels smart, fast, and relevant for all. Show live details in labels and descriptions with merge tags that update as visitors change answers. Stop copying data into forms again and again. Let one source update everything across your site now. Build member signups, pre-filled profiles, and filtered selectors that feel like an app, not a form. Less confusion, fewer errors, and smoother steps to submit mean more completed leads. And more sales. Set it once, scale it everywhere. And keep forms accurate even when your data keeps moving daily now. Click the link in the description to see how Populate Anything turns boring forms into results. Fast,